right, let's review. Circumference is going to be pi times diameter, and area is going to be pi times radius squared. Whenever they give you the diameter, you have to divide by 2 to get the radius. I messed up there. Whenever they give you the radius, you have to multiply by 2 to get the diameter. And don't forget, pi is 3.14. All right, let's look at number 2. Number 2 is pretty tricky to me. You're going to have to cut this one, even though it doesn't say a regular figure, but it's not a regular figure, so we're going to cut it. We're going to make a rectangle at the bottom and a half of a circle at the top. So you got to do length times width, which is going to be 5.5 times 11. When you multiply those together, you're going to get area being 60.5. Next, you have to do pi r squared for your circle. Your radius is going to be half of 11, so we got to divide by 2. Half of 11 is 5.5. So it's 3.14 times 5.5 squared. You're going to be left with 94.00. Don't forget it's a half a circle, so we have to do 94.1 divided by 2, and that's how we get the 47.05. We want the whole area, so we have to add those two together, the 60.5 and the 47.05, and you're left with your answer, which is 107.55 feet squared. All right, let's take a look at number 8. Anytime you see shaded, don't forget you have to subtract. So here we're doing base times height divided by 2, 18 times 26, and then we're going to divide that by 2. And if you need to, just flip your paper around so that you could see this is the base and that's the height. When I do 18 times 6, I'm going to be getting 468. And then I need to do 468 divided by 2, which is going to leave me with 234. Now, let's do the circle. The diameter is 9, which means I need to split 9 in half to get the radius. So half of 9, I'm going to be left with 4.5. So I'm doing 3.14 times 4.5 squared, and I'm going to get 63.58. Now let's not forget that's half of a circle, so we're going to have to divide that whole thing by 2. When I do 63.58 divided by 2, I'm left with 31.79. Now I need to subtract, because remember, shaded, subtract, and I'm going to be left with 202.20 feet squared. And you're done.